The power of minimalist travel.
Minimalist travel empowers busy professionals to focus on what matters most. By streamlining what you pack and how you plan, you can maximize efficiency, reduce stress, and stay flexible. Embracing simplicity not only saves time, but also energy, helping you arrive ready for business, not burdened by unnecessary belongings or complicated routines.
Packing smarter, not harder.
Adopt a capsule wardrobe by choosing versatile clothing in coordinating colors. Limit yourself to lightweight, wrinkle-resistant fabrics and prioritize essentials. Pack only what you absolutely need. Multi-purpose tools, a compact toiletry kit, and electronic chargers. Use packing cubes to keep items organized. The lighter your bag, the easier your journey, giving you more focus and freedom on the road.
Digital organization for travelers.
Digitize your itineraries and important documents. Keep boarding passes, maps, and hotel confirmations on your smartphone for instant access. Use cloud storage for work files and download offline copies when needed. Useful travel apps help manage time zones, expenses, and schedules. Staying digitally organized means less paper to carry and faster retrieval when you need information.
Efficient routines on the go.
Create a simple travel routine that works anywhere. Use checklists to prepare for every trip and standardize your packing process. Set reminders for essential tasks like check-ins and meetings. Allocate time for brief moments of relaxation, deep breaths, stretching, or a short walk between business commitments. These routines help maintain clarity, productivity, and well-being throughout your journey.
Staying flexible and adaptable.
Minimalist travel isn't just about packing less, it's about embracing adaptability. Stay open to unexpected changes in plans and use setbacks as opportunities to simplify further. Carry only what you can comfortably manage and keep your itinerary flexible. By letting go of excess and focusing on the essentials, you can handle any travel challenge with resilience and ease.
The lasting benefits of minimalist travel.
Minimalist travel routines reduce stress, increase productivity, and enhance your ability to thrive in any business environment. Fewer belongings mean fewer worries, more mental clarity, and greater freedom to seize opportunities. By adopting minimalist habits, busy professionals can unlock smoother, smarter, and more enjoyable travel, turning every trip into a chance for growth and success.